Discover the perfect blend of style and functionality with the ZOSKVEE smartwatch. This sleek smartwatch allows you to dial and answer calls directly from your wrist, ensuring you stay connected on the go. Featuring a vibrant display, customizable watch faces, and a variety of health monitoring features, it's designed to elevate your daily routine. Whether you're tracking your fitness goals or managing notifications, the ZOSKVEE smartwatch is your ideal companion. Enjoy advanced features such as heart rate monitoring and sleep tracking while maintaining an elegant look. Upgrade your smartwatch game today with ZOSKVEE. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates.
Experience the ultimate in connectivity and health tracking with the smartwatch for men/women 46mm. With Bluetooth calling, 24/7 heart rate, SPO2 sleep, and stress level monitoring, this smartwatch keeps you in control of your well-being. Its sleek 46mm design combines style with advanced fitness features, making it perfect for your active lifestyle.
Stay connected and active with the smartwatch for women. Compatible with Android EC iPhone. With Alexa built in, you can control your day hands-free, while Bluetooth calling keeps you in touch effortlessly. Track your fitness with advanced health metrics, all packed in an IP68 waterproof. Designed perfect for any adventure. The ultimate blend of style, convenience, and performance.
Stay connected and healthy with the FitPolo smartwatch for men/women. Featuring a vibrant 1.8 display and Alexa built-in LAR, this fitness tracker makes daily life easier with voice commands and Bluetooth calling. Track your heart rate, steps, and sleep effortlessly while staying hands-free on the go. A perfect blend of style, tech, and wellness.
Stay connected and active with the ZOSKVEE smartwatch, featuring answer dial call functionality for hands-free communication. The vibrant 185 TFT display offers a clear and intuitive interface, perfect for tracking your fitness goals. With its advanced health monitoring and multi-sport modes, it's your ultimate companion for staying fit and productive on the go.
Elevate your fitness and style with the Rumen smartwatch for women and men. Featuring a vibrant 1.8 HD display, this smartwatch lets you answer, make calls effortlessly on both iOS and Android phones. Track your fitness, heart rate, and notifications all in one sleek design. Stay connected and active with this versatile all-in-one smartwatch.